15 seconds to the start of the race.
The son in the blue and the dad in the white.
And 5.
Quarter marshals are ready. Son is ready. Father is ready. We're going racing at the sound of the start zone. B1, all van going. It's a family affair. And I guess Ricky Bobby's dad was right. If you ain't first, you're last. Race number 15 on the track. Race number 16, get them ready to go. We're gonna need a couple volunteer turn marshals to get the next one going, guys. Kevin in the blue, our early race there, coming across the sky. Oh man, trouble in the chicane. Kevin 16.2, Kenneth 15.8, back to Will 17.6. 1 minute in. Race number 16, coming up next, guy, B1, 4:25.5. 1:15 down, 6:45 left to go. All race results are available on Live RC, guys. You'll be able to see how you're doing. And then, of course, once we finish the triple mains, you'll be able to see the final results. If you win A1, when you win A2, you sit out A3. We'll have our awards at the end of the day. So if you finish top 3 in a B main event, you could win a trophy as well. So stick around for those points calculations. Got our Roar memberships at sign up, so we're using Roar tiebreakers. 2 minutes in and 6 minutes left to go. Got 2 minutes in and 6 minutes left. Kevin over Kenneth by 10.6. Kenneth across the start finish line 15.6. His best lap is a 15.1. Kevin 14.9 the last time by. His best lap of 14.5. All right, so we got 2:30 in and 5:30 left. Got 2:30 in, 5:30 left. Kevin Jones, 14.9. Kenneth Jones, 15 flat. Kenneth just hit his hot lap. Three down, 5 to go. Got 3 down, 5 to go. All right, so here comes Kevin to put Kenneth a lap down here. He said, find another way around. So Kenneth's trying to stay on that lead lap. Kevin right behind him. Oh yeah, Kenneth is. Got it back right there. He says, I'm staying on this lead lap. Try another way. Oh man, nice pass by there by Kevin to put the field a lap down here. Kenneth Jones in the 2 spot. Oh, he's a little rattled off the boards. Oh no, don't do that. Yeah. 4 down and 4 to go. Got 4 down, 4 to go. Son put dad a lap down. 14.9 to 20.1. Kevin's on a 33 lap run. Kenneth is on a 30 lap run. We still got 3 minutes and 40 seconds left to go. Got 3:40 left to go. We're getting ready for race number 16, 25.5 B1. Guys, that's a 25.5 touring car B1. We'll need a couple volunteer corner marshals to get that race going. Race leader in the blue, tagging the boards over there. Second place in the white. To finish first, you must finish. Jones separated by 24.6. 5 down and 3 to go again. 5 down, 3 to go. 14.8 for our race leader, 17.34 seconds. John Hicks did not start. Did not qualify. You still got third. That's amazing. All right, 2 minutes and 35 seconds left to go. 2:35 left. Kevin Jones still out in front, 14.5 the last time by. Kenneth Jones in the second spot, 15.2. Two minutes and 20 seconds left to go. Got 2:20 left on the timer here. Big hit there for Kevin, still in one piece. Kenneth in the second spot, trailing by 26.3. Still the white car coming across the start finish line, 15.3. Backed up with a 15.5. Here comes Kevin. Long lap, 19.1.
They did a sweep yesterday.
Backed up with a 15.5.
I would.
So we only have two drivers. We're going to need at least six,
and
maybe
I
five
had
corner marshals, 5 or 6 corner marshals, volunteer
brand.
corner
You
marshals.
have Mia, you have Mugen, you have Extract, just body clips. I'm like, just a handful of them.
Race number
Because I
16.
didn't find any of my parts, but I found everybody else's.
So we should have 2 guys coming out to marshal
It's crazy.
that I've excused from previous races,
It's not like,
but we'll still need
I haven't looked
at
up
least
against the
3
wall, but-
volunteers from the pit area. If anybody can help us out, 3 volunteers coming up next.
Something's over by that one. I don't know.
Yeah,
Oh, those
and I
are the
believe we'll
track
also
markers.
have
But yeah,
Todd
yesterday was-
and
yesterday
Tim
was
coming out
carnage
to
out
help
here.
us marshal.
Yeah.
All right, 7 down, 1 to go, guys. 7 down, 1 to go.
Just wait till that the front wheel drive. It's gonna be again.
Kevin,
Here it
coming along
comes.
in the
Here it
middle.
comes.
And we're clear.
They don't have any marshals on this one.
Oh, Marshall.
Well, yeah.
Oh,
Too far away.
yeah, they're going for.
You guys could sue it.
Yeah. No running.
Kevin, our race leader, 17.3 the last time by, 30 seconds left to go. Can't get it wrong. Kevin putting down another lap down.
Oh.
15.6 to a
I
16.7.
think Ken was doing this back in the late 70s.
20 seconds.
Oh, he's a champion.
Oh, really?
Here's our race leader across the start finish line, 15.6, backed up with us 15.1. Working on lap number 32 here. This is the final lap for our race leader. And this is the final lap for second. White flag is out when you cross the start finish line. You will be done. Kevin, you're done with the win.
Longer than most of us been alive.
Yeah. I was
And
more than
here comes
80.
Kenneth for second. That is the race, guys. Bring him in and shut him down. We'll need you guys back.